Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on an epoxy injection project. Use Zerk style injection. The key to this is it's a really slow process. See these air bubbles? You want to make sure that this is getting injected and you keep pressure. Too little and you're not going to inject the crack properly. Too much, you're going to start blowing the Zerks. A lot of this is just have done thousands of these projects of experience. Zerk style injection epoxy. You can follow this project www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch close to 2,000 videos of my other projects. Thanks for watching. This is Jade Alpine. I'm doing a little bit of injecting today.